I do. So. Okay, now back in the days I remember I was probably acting bad, hanging with some niggas that my mama told me not to, but somehow you know I did it. I'm off to meet the world and a couple bad women got me sneaking through a window late at night. I'm on a mission nowadays, thanking God for every day I'm living. I wanna tell my daughters that this life you live is crazy, and make sure you watch out for the shicey niggas trying to play you. I'm never giving up, always racing for perfection. Yeah, the flow is lethal, but I do not need a weapon, and everything will work out, but you gotta put in work. They was sleeping on a nigga, now I take these boys to church. I swear I'm way too young to see the shit that I done seen. I swear my family need me, so I gotta get the green. I swear these rappers need me, so they try to join the team, but my mama told me everything ain't always what it seemed. I wrote this shit for Caleb, keep your head up, you my brother. It's kinda fucked up that my birthday's when you lost your mother, man, and we done seen the world, we went hard till the morning. Couple bad girls, good weed, yeah, we zone it. I wrote this shit for Granny G, so much pain and memory. No, I'm not afraid of death, afraid of what it's sending me. All the nights I spent alone, the world turned its back to me. Funny how the tables turn, now they back to me. Yeah, and I just wanna live it up, making sure my daughters never say they have enough. I'm probably what you give a real meets 100 proof, and I ain't lying when I say your girl is coming through. And I've been trying to do the right thing for her sake. I told her everything is good, mercy. And lately, man, all these days just burn away. So I'm here to get my cake, no anime. Before they ask, that was not a diss to Tina, cause they wanna see you drown like FEMA with Katrina. Product of my city, kid, tell me why you do it. See, I grew up with the tunes, all I know is music. This is more than just a song, this is life, man. And rapping is my weapon in the world of white man. Said they wanna see you fall like a pushover. Got me blowing through the green like a push mower. Here to rep my city till the day that I'm gone. Couldn't tell you what's the planet's name that I'm on. Started with a dream, then I made that shit true. Indiana zone, A12, I do. Two. I do. So